everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In this video, I am participating in the Tablescape collaboration entitled Don't Frown on Brown. And our hosts and co-hosts are: the host is Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, aka It's a Cozy Lifestyle. And the co-hosts are Tammy, Queen of DIY, and Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. I will have the links to these young ladies' channels in my description box along with the participants' playlist. Here I am showing just a picture and video of my island because I no longer have a dining room table and chairs. I helped my daughter move to Florida and I gave her my set, and I wanted to be a part of this tablescape. So if you'd like to see how I set up my island for Don't Frown on Brown, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. I will be setting my island for two. I hope you enjoy, and I thank you for stopping by.